So for the first outfit, I'm going to wear a black palazzo with a black full sleeve crop top, and I'm completing the look with a red embroidery dupatta, and with that I'm wearing a oxidized pair of earrings. So for this outfit, I'm going to wear the same black palazzo with the ink top, and I'm completing the look with this oxidized jewelries, which are making this outfit look 1,000 times better. So for this look, I'm going to wear a blue colored crop top with a green palazzo, in which I'm completing the look with this colorful jewelries and a half only. This one is one of my favorite outfit, in which I'm wearing this crop jeans with this full frog top, and is completing this look with these bangles, long earrings, French braids, and my favorite shoes. So this one is one of the most trending kurta, and yes, you have to try this with some beautiful jewelries, and this will make you look more and more pretty. This one is one of the most prettiest and simplest one, in which I'm wearing this peach color palazzo with this pink and whitish crop top, and completing this look with 100 kada, one-sided earring, and yes, one of my fave pendle. So here we go with the last outfit. Yeah. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yes, share this video with someone who would love to wear this outfit. And yes, stay tuned with my new updates.